Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. So I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Traveler and the Spirit S-315. Both propane, both Weber, but they seem pretty different.
Yeah, definitely. The Traveler, that's the portable one, right? I remember seeing it. And the Spirit is more of a classic backyard grill.
Exactly. Okay, so the Traveler dimensions are 42.72 DX 43.6 inches, WX 37.2 inches H, and weighs 32 pounds. The Spirit says 24 DX 24, WX 45.5 H, but only 20 pounds? That's weird, it looks bigger.
Weight might be a typo. Anyway, that portability thing is huge. The Traveler's designed to fold up and fit in your car, which is awesome for camping or tailgating.
True. The Traveler is a single burner putting out 12,000 BTUs. The Spirit S-315 has 3 burners cranking out 32,000 BTUs. Big difference in cooking power.
Yeah, the Spirit is going to heat up faster and give you more even cooking, especially if you're grilling for a crowd. It's got those flavorizer bars too, so you get that smoky flavor.
Good point. The Traveler says it fits up to 15 burgers or 20 sausages. The Spirit has porcelain enameled cast iron grates, and the Spirit has a fuel gauge, which is handy.
Definitely. And the Spirit has side tables for prepping, which the Traveler also has.
Okay, price-wise, the Traveler is $449, and the Spirit S-315 is $849.85. So almost double the price.
Yeah, you're paying for that portability with the Traveler. But the Spirit gets you more cooking space, more power, and a more traditional grilling experience, and is stainless steel. If you're mostly grilling at home, the Spirit is probably worth the extra cash.
That makes sense. The Traveler is convenient and the Spirit is more powerful and has more features for home grilling. I guess it depends on where and how often you grill, to make the right choice.
Exactly. Think about your grilling style, and that'll point you in the right direction.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.